Every medical device has open source software and commercial third-party libraries installed. Each of these libraries can introduce vulnerabilities that can be exploited. Hackers can gain access to medical devices by using an already known vulnerability in one of these libraries. MedISAO, a leader in medical device vulnerability discovery and threat information sharing, released its new vulnerability monitoring tool, CyberProtek. CyberProtek allows you to check your devices for known vulnerabilities and possible threats, and gives you access to public and private vulnerability databases that are healthcare specific. We look for vulnerabilities at regular intervals, even after the device hits the market, and alert the manufacturer to new vulnerabilities in their devices. Unlike other vulnerability alerting tools, CyberProtek is specifically designed for medical devices. It produces reports in the formats that the FDA is expecting, and allows healthcare-specific impact analysis and vulnerabilities. By taking a proactive approach with CyberProtek, manufacturers can patch the libraries before hackers can exploit them. Because it's not just information that's at risk, it's patients' health. CyberProtek is now live. Visit cyberprotek.com for more information.